vlog this. Yeah, I guess I'll vlog this. I am gonna show you how I prep for Coachella. I'm going to get a freaking spray tan. Hopefully it doesn't turn out orange. We don't know. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I lost my vlog camera. Logging on my phone. Team 10, here I come.
Flashing sensor to begin your tan. The booth is warm and ready. The green flashing sensor to begin.
Alright, so I got my spray tan, and the tanning girl talked me into a $10 primer that I know I didn't need. I honestly don't know how this is gonna look, so we'll see in the morning.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Meal prep. I think my spray tan is growing on me. Them boys are clean. Gotta get over. I'm scared. If I wasn't already a fake enough, I got fake eyelashes. I need to get glitter because I ain't a festival hoe without glitter. Honey, I'm home. Can't find any glitter. Love this store. I love it.
I tell all my rake it up, break it down, bag it up, 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 rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up.
There's boys in here. Should I embarrass my sister? My sister? The dollar store was a flop, so now we're going to Michael's. Who's Michael? Is he cute? Okay, fail. $4 for glitter my ass. We love Target. Oh, this way. So I'm not gonna get any glitter because it's too expensive. I don't even know if I want to wear it. But I found these. Oh. Everyone enter Instagram giveaways, honestly. What the heck? I still need to pack, and we're leaving tomorrow morning. I don't want to. I leave it for the last minute. Well, I need to go pack. So, see you at Coachella. Like, subscribe, comment.